Abracadabra Refurbished. And I'm going to paint this bench right now with Roald Limestone, and I'm going to use my Klingon S50, the best magical brush ever. And here's my limestone paint from Roald. No, I didn't even mix this paint up, but I just used it the other day, so it should be fine. It's over off the side, opening it up. Go. That beautiful paint, just gorgeous. Limestone is a really pretty gray. I love it. And then I'm going to use some, my plan is to use some Refurbished Gentleman over the top, blend it in. Okay, now I'm gonna blend in some Roald Refurbished Gentleman. That'll be fun. I got enough light. With my water bottle, my Iris Girl, continuous water sprayer. Okay guys, it might look a little funny. I just used the heat gun and I dried it up, and now I'm going to do another layer over the top. I'm going to start with my limestone, and after that I'll add the Refurbished Gentleman, and I'll use some water, and I will blend it up. Now I'm going to mix up this paint a little bit, make sure it's mixed up good. Go. I'm going to use my water bottle. I'm going to spray right through the middle where I want to add more white. I mean limestone, sorry. It's a light gray. It's almost white, but it's gray. Okay, so let's get you up to speed with what I did. I kept on putting, first I put on primer, right? The first thing, and then I used the limestone. I painted pretty much the whole coat of limestone, and then I blended in Refurbished Gentleman. And then I just used my blending brushes that are already in the house and stuff. My 045 blending brush, and I blended it, you know, I just moved the limestone one way, and you just keep pushing them back and forth until you like it enough, okay? And then I used the sander with a 320 grit, my palm held circular orbital sander, and I went along all the edges and I distressed it just a little bit. I don't know if you can see or not from that, but anyways, now the next step is I'm going to varnish it. I am going to put a soft light coat of Roald Satin Varnish, and after the varnish I'm going to use wax, and I'm also going to use the furniture salve to take away the satin. It'll make it matte again. So actually I need to stir this before I use it. Let's get it opened and we'll stir it up. There we go. I think I need to stir it just a little bit more. Okay. Now, I'll varnish this bottom part. You just use quick, long strokes. It goes on nice and easy. You just put it on. And if it doesn't get all, you know, full coverage, I'm not super worried about it because I am going to wax and salve this too. I just want that little extra protection. And I'm debating on putting a transfer on. So, if I want to use a transfer, I have to have top coat on first. Transferring, you can do it without it, but it sticks better if you have a top coat on. It also helps so it doesn't pull the paint off as well. Okay guys, now I'm going to put some walnut wax on, okay? I'm going to use Lysol's Hemp Oil Furniture Black Walnut Wax, okay? And I'm going to use that on this top here, this wooden top. Maybe I'll bring it a little closer. Just gonna use it's a JRB stencil brush, but I've already used it for wax. Just soften it up just a little bit. We're gonna put it on, buff it off. Yeah, you guys should put a little salve on first. Actually, I think I'm actually gonna put a little salve on first because otherwise the black's gonna soak in funny because it's really raw wood. Now where's my salve at? With my satin brush. And my lemon verbena.